All right, look at it.
Wow, that looks awesome. I love it.
And good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. Thank you guys for joining me today. So I got something special planned for the Grand Cherokee, actually. Maybe by the thumbnail, you've guessed it already, or maybe not, who knows? I got a bag of cleaning supplies I gotta put in the garage. Well, first things first, put cleaning stuff in the garage. And then I'm gonna jump in the car, and then we're gonna go to a really special place and, yeah, do some cool stuff, hopefully. And just like that, we're at Chameleon Customs here in Las Vegas. Chase is doing some stuff. Cleaned up the car with some alcohol, I guess. I don't know, that spray ball doesn't work really well, but he was happy with it. If you guys want to come out, check this place out. All their information is down below. You know where to follow them. Every little bit about them. We'll take a walk around the shop. Hopefully everybody be cool about it. I don't know.
Yes, sir.
Since you guys don't know what this exactly is, you guys can see that beautiful blue BMW back there, that white one, and this beautiful knifeless tape Chase is using. The Jeep's getting wrapped. The Jeep is gonna get wrapped, and it's gonna look sick. So he says not a slow process. He looks like he's a fast working man. I believe it. We're gonna follow up as more things move along. Oh man, I hope I'm excited. Hope you guys are excited. Got so much energy. We'll see how this thing looks. Maybe it'll look cool, maybe it won't. It should. It should. So, it got too hot outside. Had to bring the Jeep inside the shop this time because doing it out here in this parking lot in the hot sun, well, now it's overcast. It's perfectly fine now, but earlier it was really, really hot, as you guys saw. But now, the Jeep's in the shop. We got the hood knocked out. Tim's the man.
How we doing?
This should be cool. But let's talk about this Tesla. But man. Hey, maybe we should put this on the Jeep. Tim, what do you think?
I said, let's do it.
We're gonna be chromed out everywhere we go. Whose Mustang is this?
That is the owner of the shop. It's a brand new build, brand new Grand Cherokee body kit.
Jeez.
Some $10,000 race car engine, basically.
Man, this is nice. Man, as soon as this thing gets outside in that sun, we're gonna take a good look at it. All right, so we got the hood done. Now these three cool guys are about to do the roof. That's a giant piece. We're about to look like a reverse skunk up in here. All right, so they left me on this ladder all alone, unsupervised. It's okay though. Hood's almost done. Well, the roof, hood, same thing. Hood is over there, roof is over here. We're getting through it. Well, they're going through it. I'm just watching. I came here to pay, not to work. Looking good though. I know. The darkness doesn't do it justice. Just wait till it's out in the sun. I know. Just trust me. Or don't trust me, I don't care. But it's gonna look good. It will look good. Alright, so looks like it's done. I'm gonna do some fancy shots with it. I'm sure it'd be cool. Tim over there did a fantastic job taking some pictures for his Instagram. If you guys want to follow him, Chameleon Customs LV. Everything will be down below, don't even worry about it.
Right there at the front of that, above the Jeep logo.
And just like that, we're done. The Jeep's wrapped. I'm gonna get some more shots of it. Like I said, if you guys want your car wrapped, whether your hood or your roof, check out Chameleon. They'll take care of you. It'll look good too. Hey Chase, thank you, my man.
All right, my guy.
Appreciate it.
Enjoy.
Hey,
Looks sick.
Hey, thank you guys. I appreciate it. Thank you so much.
Have a good one, brother.
Have a better one. All right, one last thing. We got a surprise. The woman's with the new wrap. All right, come on. Grab my hand. Grab my hand. Close your eyes. Close your eyes. Oh, man. She gonna like it? Hi, girls. Or will she not? We're gonna find out. It's kind of hard to see. All right, stand right here. Stand right here. All right, look at it.
Wow, that looks awesome. I love it. It's so nice. Your idea was perfect. I can't really see the top, but
I know it's dark, but look at the rear wing.
that looks
They did the
awesome.
top of the rear wing too. You see that?
Awesome.
Yeah, you like it?
I'm so happy. Thank you.
Yeah, it should look a lot better during the day than it does right now. This overcast really, you can't even see it how dark it is.
Oh, yeah, just
Like it,
lighting.
yeah, it's like completely matted out.
Oh, it looks so nice.
Yeah, you like that?
Oh yeah.
Hope the camera can pick this up. All right, if you guys liked the video, you liked Alicia's reaction, you liked what we did to the Jeep, give me a thumbs up. It'd be greatly appreciated. Subscribe to the channel. There's surely going to be more content, but the Jeep project has just begun. We still got a lot more to do. She looks happy. I'm happy. Thanks to Chameleon Customs for the work. Again, all their information's down in the description. Thank you. Appreciate it. Later.